Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Native New Yorker here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Frohawk like this, how to slay a Frohawk. I'm finna show y'all how I do it right now, right here. Before we get into it, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend. Okay? Yes, so thank you for being patient with me. Thank you. I love y'all so much. Let's get into this video. First, you want to spray your hair with water and get it really wet so it'll be easier to detangle. Next, you want to section off your hair to get ready to cornrow. The first product that I'm using in my hair is African Shea Butter. It makes my hair really soft and I love how it does not cake up. The oils that I'm using for my scalp are Jojoba Oil and Argan Oil, and I'm also putting in Eco Styler Gel. I use a rat tail comb to help define my curls a little more. Now it's time to braid. For this Mohawk look, I like to braid my hair straight back in cornrows, but you don't have to. You can use any braiding pattern that you like, but it's all your preference. When I get down to the ends of my braids, I like to take some more gel and swirl it around my fingers so the ends can stay curly. Then you want to braid down the rest of your hair in cornrows. I couldn't get a good grip because of my nails, so please don't make fun of how I braid. Your girl could braid for real. I just can't braid with no nails on. After my entire head is braided down, I'll go along my edges with wild growth because I noticed my edges was getting a little thin and I can't be out here looking cute with no edges. That ain't the beat, sis. Then tie your hair down until you're ready to take it out. Girl, you was cute. I'm feeling myself. I don't care. And ain't nothing wrong with feeling yourself, boo-boo, because when you know you look good, ain't nobody could tell you nothing. Nothing. Not a damn thing. I took out my hair the next morning. Before I take out my braids, I put in Aunt Jackie's defining curl whip and I'll just rub it along through my hairs and I'll massage it through before I take it out. Now it's time to take out your braids. Make sure you start from the ends and work your way up very gently. Be sure not to take out your curls. Now again, I was moving really slow because I had on acrylics, but shout out to my nail tech, Amber. She gets your girl right every time, okay? One thing that being natural taught me is patience. You have to have patience with your hair. You have to. You just cannot, like, freaking be all rough and stuff. Like, your hair is your baby. You have to treat it like so, you know? Like, now it's time to style. I'm using bobby pins, a soft brush, and some more Eco Styler gel. Sorry, y'all. I'm just admiring my hair. I love my hair. I came such a long way, you guys. It's been a while since I've been on this hair journey, and I've just seen like my hair grow like dramatically, and I'm just so obsessed with it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when styling your mohawk is to put gel on the sides of your hair, then use your brush to slick up the side. I like to do this in 6 sections. I'll start in the middle of my hair first, then the 2 sides in the back, and then I'll do the 2 sides in the front. Take your bobby pins and place it where you want them, where you want your hair to stay, and you can use as many as you need. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to skip the middle for now and pin up your hair on both sides in the back. So I don't like that space that I have in the middle of my hair. So I'm just going to use my hands to separate that part without using a comb because I don't want to mess up my curls. Then I'm going to do the same exact steps to the front of my hair. You can add more bobby pins as needed. Here's what it looks like in the back. I'm sorry you can't really see that well. Now you can either leave that little front as your bangs in the middle of your head, which I end up doing, or you could like put it to the side on one side, or you can even split it into 2. It's all up to you. I'm using 24-hour even edge control to slick up my little edges with the toothbrush, and that's it. There she go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yes, 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 honey. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes, Keisha. Yes, Keisha. Freaking love it. This is it. This is the final look, ladies. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? Share this video, you heard me? Make sure y'all follow me on all of my social media. And let me know if y'all want to see anything else. You want me trying any other hairstyles or do a makeup video or do any pranks. I have friends. And I think that's a wrap. Bye.